But in everything that people ship, right, physical product or software, hardware, software, electronics, whatever, you're always having to manage scope, right? And user experience is a funny thing, right? It's hard to quantify. I mean, there's some things that are probably, like if you're a consumer site and you have shopping, you try to figure out how many people are abandoning the shopping cart, try to figure out what's going on, but you at least have some quantified information as to how many people are abandoning the shopping cart as a percentage of whatever at whatever point. But oftentimes you don't have quantified information necessarily. And then you have somebody saying, oh, the user experience isn't what it needs to be, so I don't want to ship this. We're not ready to ship it. But then somebody else is saying it needs to go, right? Because we committed to the business XYZ. So have you encountered that, and how have you kind of, balanced or walked through those kinds of discussions or constraints?
We iterate, we measure, and we catch a lot. We try to catch a lot, but it's always, I think, it's an ongoing sport, right? We're always at it. We are never done. We are painfully aware of being never done. And we're trying to remind everybody around us all the time, we're doing okay. Here's what the signals are showing us. We do some benchmark usability. We do some instrumentation. We look at how the experience funnel is holding up. Are people shooting out somewhere sideways, which means, well, took too many steps, or was hard to do, or didn't have the return on investment. Could be all kinds of reasons. We try to triangulate qualitative and quantitative data, which we do our best, right? But it always feels like we're never done. There's always more, and we're always wondering at any given time. But maybe that's also part of the business, and that it has to feel like that, because users are unique. People are using our products in unique ways. Our users, they come from all kinds of perspectives, and our products have a lot going on in them. So you can never feel that you 100% have everything under control. But as long as you, together with the rest of the disciplines, are striving for high quality, you're making your best honest effort to get there, I think that's the baseline. And then you can also really celebrate those successes and don't always feel like, oh my God, there's still so much to do.